Alright, so let's go ahead and start heating it up. What? Nothing. Just blow drying my hair. What's up, everybody? SK Entertainment. It's a beautiful July 4th in this southern Louisiana. It's about to rain, looks like. About to head to the gym. Give y'all a little cold start. My dirty dog. I gotta wash this thing. It's filthy. Filthy. What's up, everybody? SK Entertainment. I'm going to show you how to take off the Dodge emblem with a blow dryer and some fishing twine. So let's go ahead and start heating it up. What?
What are you doing with a blow dryer?
Blow drying my hair? You want to get it nice and hot? This blow dryer ain't gonna heat up, melt your car, melt anything on your car. See, my car is really dirty right now because I didn't want to clean it, then do this, then clean it again. One down, 4 to go. So I don't want to come off. I'm going to show you how fast you can do this. What if it got hot enough I could just rip it off my fingers? Ooh, almost broke my nail. That's a wrap. Next, I'm going to show you how to get this free dealership advertisement off. Shout out to Lake Shore Dodge. They always hook me up. They in Slidell, Louisiana. But I'm going to take all these stickers away.
My love, it grows with the memories like a symphony. And you and I, we got history, yeah. And when you're alone, do you say my name? Or you say her name? Yeah. My love, it grows with the memories like a symphony. And you and I, we got history, yeah. Wherever love goes, there is also tragedy. When we're in too deep, and you and I, we got history, yeah. you and I, we got history, yeah. And when you're alone, do you say my...
And here it is, all nice and clean, polished up, shining, no badges. Man, the thing I like the most about a Daytona is everybody's got a scat pack. And that's all I see, scat pack here. I even seen another octane red Charger, but it was a scat pack. I don't see nobody with a Daytona. And this camera is shaking its ass, so it's about to fall. I don't know, but yeah, that's the thing I like. I like how they did the TAs and the Daytonas, make it kind of different. Yeah, I understand all the challenges about to look the same and it's pissing Hellcat owners off, and you know, all the Chargers look the same. You know, my car looks just like a Hellcat, but it says it's a Daytona, except for the hood's different. But I mean, I could go change the hood and look just like a Hellcat. I mean, I wish I could afford a Hellcat. I'll keep this look, just give me the engine. I take the engine horsepower, you know? But, I mean, all in all, it's a Dodge.